Because Ethiopia is widening efforts to combat the COVID-19 pandemic with the production of local test kits led by a Chinese company. The factory could produce up to 10 million test kits within 12 months. The country's prime minister has lauded the initiative, saying the coronavirus testing kit could also be distributed within the continent to help the fight against the disease. Let's have more details of that in this report.
Located in the outskirts of the capital Addis Ababa, at the Bole Lummi Industrial Park, Ethiopia's COVID-19 test kit manufacturing facility is said to be a game changer in the country's efforts to combat the disease. The company producing the testing kit is a joint venture with a Chinese company called BGI Health Ethiopia. Upon commissioning the factory, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed explained the importance of producing test kits locally to help boost the country's testing capacity.
As we had promised, the COVID-19 test kits will now be manufactured in Ethiopia. As you can see here, it's written "Made in Ethiopia." It's a result of the work done between the Ethiopian government and BGI company.
The factory will produce 10 million test kits per year, and according to the Prime Minister, beyond domestic consumption, Ethiopia will soon start exporting the test kits to the rest of the continent. Most African states have been struggling with a shortage of testing kits, ventilators, and intensive care beds.
With 10 million kits production capacity, the output of this factory will serve not only Ethiopia but also the rest of Africa. It's well known that in Africa, the number of countries which produce test kits or even with a capacity of test labs is small. Therefore, after satisfying our needs, we will start exporting to our brothers and sisters across the continent.
The joint project between Ethiopia and the Chinese-owned company also aims at opening more COVID-19 testing laboratories across Addis Ababa, including at the Bole International Airport to target transit passengers.
There are more than 2 million transit passengers who pass through our airport every year. Through this project, we'd like to build more labs and use the challenges brought by coronavirus as an advantage to earn the much-needed hard currency.
Upon containment of the COVID-19 pandemic, the manufacturing center will switch to the production of other types of nucleic acid detection reagents. These include AIDS testing kits, tuberculosis nucleic acid test kits, and other locally needed RT-PCR test kit products. So far, Ethiopia has conducted more than 1.2 million COVID-19 tests. Only South Africa and Morocco beat that number in the continent. But with the better availability of test kits because of the new factory, the country aspires to test more number of people daily, which experts say is an important step to defeat the spread of the pandemic.
Ethiopia produced local-made testing kits in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic.